Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Unlock English podcast. I am very happy you are here with me today. Today, we will talk about a big problem for many English learners. Maybe you know this problem too. When you try to speak English, you translate every word in your head. You think in your own language first. Then you try to find the English words. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Sometimes you cannot find the right word. Sometimes the sentence sounds strange. You feel nervous. You feel stuck. You want to speak fast and naturally, but your brain is busy translating. Do not worry. You are not alone. Many people have this problem. It is normal. Your brain wants to use your first language. It is like a habit. But today, I want to help you break this habit. I want to help you start thinking in English. When you think in English, you can speak faster. You can understand more. You feel more confident. You enjoy speaking. In this podcast, I will show you why translating is a problem. I will also show you how to stop translating and start thinking in English. I will give you simple tips you can use every day. I will share a story to help you remember. Are you ready? Let us begin. Let us talk about why translating in your head makes speaking English so hard. Imagine your brain is like a busy road. When you speak your first language, the road is clear. The cars move fast. But when you try to speak English and translate every word, it is like there's a traffic jam. Every car must stop and wait. You think of a word in your language, then you try to find the English word. Sometimes you do not know the word. Sometimes the words are in a different order. The cars move slowly. You feel stuck. This is why you cannot speak fast. This is why you feel nervous. Your brain is working too hard. It is busy with two languages at the same time. Let me give you an example. In some languages, the adjective comes after the noun. In English, the adjective comes before the noun. If you translate word by word, you might say car red instead of red car. People may not understand you. You may feel embarrassed. This is not your fault. It is just the way your brain is used to working. But you can change this. You can train your brain to use English first. It takes time, but it is possible. Another problem is that translation is not always correct. Some words do not have the same meaning in both languages. For example, the word fun in English is not the same as funny. If you translate from your language, you might use the wrong word. This can make your sentences sound strange. It can make conversations confusing. So, what is the answer? The answer is to build a new road in your brain. This road goes straight to English. No more traffic jams. No more waiting. When you see something, you think of the English word first. When you want to say something, you use English words and English grammar. This is how you start to think in English. In the next section, I will show you simple ways to build this new road in your brain.
Now, let us talk about how you can start thinking in English every day. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to know every word. You just need to practice a little bit each day. Here are some easy tips you can use. First, describe what you see around you in English. When you wake up, look around your room. Say the names of things in English. For example, this is my bed. Here is my window. I see a chair. When you go outside, do the same. I see a tree. The sky is blue. There is a bus. You do not need to say long sentences. Just use simple words. If you do not know a word, look it up later. Next time, your brain will remember. Next, think about your plans in English. In the morning, think about your day. Today, I will go to work. I will meet my friend. I want to learn English. At night, think about what you did. I cooked dinner. I watched a movie. I talked to my sister. You do not need to write anything. Just think in English, in your mind. Third, use pictures to help you. When you see something, try to think of the English word right away. Do not translate. For example, when you see a dog, just think dog. When you see a book, think book. This helps your brain make a direct connection to English. Fourth, try shadowing. Listen to a short English audio or podcast. Repeat what you hear right after the speaker. Try to copy the way they say the words. Do not worry about mistakes. This will help your brain get used to English sounds and rhythm. Fifth, use English for simple actions. When you are cooking, say in your mind, I am washing the rice. I am cutting the vegetables. When you are cleaning, think, I am sweeping the floor. I am folding the clothes. These small moments are good practice. Remember, you do not need to do all these tips at once. Start with 1 or 2. Practice every day. Soon, your brain will start to use English first. You will feel more comfortable. You will speak more naturally. Now, let us put everything together. I want to give you a simple daily plan. You can use this plan every day to help your brain think in English. It is easy to remember. There are 4 steps. Step 1, in the morning, before you look at your phone, take 1 minute. Think about your day in English. Say in your mind, today I will go to work. I have a meeting. I want to learn something new. You can do this while you brush your teeth or drink your tea. Step 2. During the day, look around you. Describe what you see in English. I see a woman. She is reading a book. The sun is bright. If you do not know a word, that's okay. You can check it later. Step 3. Listen to English and do shadowing. Use a podcast or a short video. Listen and repeat what you hear. Try to copy the speaker's voice and rhythm. Even 5 minutes is good practice. Step 4. At night, before you sleep, think about your day in English. I made dinner. I talked to my friend. I watched an English video. This is your quiet time. No stress. Just simple English in your mind. If you do these 4 steps every day, your brain will start to use English more and more. At first, maybe only a little, but after 1 week, you will feel better. After 1 month, you will notice a big change. You will think in English without trying. Let me tell you a short story. There was a student named Anna. Anna always translated in her head. She felt slow and nervous. She wanted to speak English well. Anna started to use these simple steps every day. At first, it was hard, but she did not give up. After some weeks, Anna noticed something amazing. She started to think in English. She spoke faster. She felt more confident. Anna was very happy. You can do this too. Remember, thinking in English is a skill. You can build it step by step. Be patient with yourself. Make mistakes. That's how you learn. Keep going and do not stop. I believe in you. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.